And then something unbelievable happened. The whole plane erupted in this uproarious applause. And every single person on the plane clapped. And I remember 10 years ago when I refused to drop my girlfriend's hand at the time, everyone told me that was a death sentence in Hollywood. And 10 years later, the whole plane is clapping at this offhanded, news announcement that the pilot decided to make. And it brought chills to my body and kind of a tear to my eye. And here I am. So I feel really lucky to be here today. And I feel really honored and humbled.